Welcome or welcome back to Trina's Motivation. I'm definitely so excited to show you how I did this style for the first time. So my hair was freshly washed. I was actually in a hurry to go on the road, wanted to just do a little errand. So there is my stocking foot. Yes, so an old stocking that was already torn. I cut and used that portion of the stocking foot. So listen, you know my motto already. Start where you are and definitely use what you've got. So you will see some white flaky things in my hair. Was just because my hair was well actually just washed and I moisturized, and so it left some of those things outside of the gray hairs, of course. I have a little bit at the front, and we still say it's wisdom. Yeah, we're happy for it. So all I did was to wrap it around as you saw me doing and just pull it up. So it's my first eye puff. I was really, really in a hurry, so it never neat as I really, really wanted it to. But I think it had a cute look to it. What do you think? If you thought so, go ahead, hit that like button and comment below if you thought it was really nice. Say cute. Comment below, cute. I think it looks nice. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing. And thank you so much for following me on this journey. I could not have gotten this far without you. Made us feel good. I'm going to show you the back as well. Look at the back. So there we have it. But guys, I'm still continuing the journey. So go right ahead and continue to support your girl. Bye.